Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and on the home screen. This avoids accidental taps. Open settings using the gear icon or swipe down and tap the gear. If you're not sure which path to follow, check settings about phone to note your Android version, because the blue light filter label may differ. This small check saves time. Once done, proceed to display or screen settings to find the blue light control. You'll now navigate the display menu where the filter lives. Look for night light, blue light filter, comfort view, or a similar name. Manufacturers rename it, but the function is the same. Tap that entry to reveal immediate toggles, scheduling, and intensity sliders. If a scheduled mode is active, turn off automatic scheduling first. Otherwise, it will re-enable. Make sure you understand the intensity slider, because that affects color. You should now toggle the blue light filter off. This turns the warmer tint back to normal immediately. If there's a schedule enabled, disable or delete it so it won't reactivate overnight. Some OEM skins let you reset color or adaptive display. Use those to restore default vibrance. Once disabled, verify by opening a white web page or settings page. If tint persists, restart your phone or temporarily disable any third-party screen apps as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.